come to the cabaret. Listen, the folk and the groove, it's time for a holiday. Life is a cabaret, oh son, come to the cabaret. Taste the wine, come hear the band, come hear the heart start celebrating. Breakfast where your table's waiting, no use permitting some profit or two. So wipe every smile away. Life is a cabaret, oh son, come to the cabaret. I used to have this girlfriend known as Elsie. To my shared taste were the breeze in Chelsea. She wasn't what you call a blushing flower. As a matter of fact, she rented by the hour. The day she died, the neighbors came to snicker. Well, as it comes, too much pills and liquor. But when I saw her the last of me, she was the happiest corpse I'd ever seen. Oh God, I do nothing to this very day. I remember how she turned to me and said, hey, 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 what good is to do all alone in your room? Come hear the music play. Is a cabaret, oh son, come to the cabaret. As for me, I made my mind back in Chelsea. When I go, let's try that again. I'm not going like else.